Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Calendar reminders inside HubSpot CRM easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Google Calendar reminders inside HubSpot CRM, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Integrations. Click on Connected Apps to view your current integrations. Look for the Google Calendar integration in the list and click on it. Ensure that the integration is active by checking the status indicator. If the integration is not active, click Connect App and follow the prompts to reauthorize your Google account. Once the integration is active, return to the main dashboard. Head over to the Sales tab from the top navigation menu. Select Tasks from the drop-down options. In the Tasks view, locate the filter options and select Reminders. You should now see if some reminders are missing, click on the Sync button to refresh the connection. Wait a moment for the synchronization to complete. Once the sync is finished, review the reminders list to ensure everything is up to date. You can now edit or manage these reminders within HubSpot. To create a new reminder, click on the Add Task button. Fill in the task details and set your reminder preferences. Finally, save your new task and it will sync back to your Google Calendar automatically. You have now successfully restored Google Calendar reminders inside HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.